Nestled in the mountainous region of Alicante, Spain, lies the enchanting village of Guadalest. Officially known as El Castell de Guadalest, this small town is a treasure trove of history, culture, and breathtaking scenery, making it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking an authentic Spanish experience. Guadalest's history dates back to the Moors, who established it as a strategic fortress in the 11th century. The village's most striking feature, the castle perched atop a sheer cliff, offers a window into its storied past. Over the centuries, Guadalest has witnessed numerous battles and reconstructions, particularly after the catastrophic earthquakes of 1644 and 1748. Today, the remnants of its Moorish castle and medieval structures stand as silent witnesses to these tumultuous times. One of Guadalest's main attractions is the Castle of San Jose, also known as the Upper Castle. Accessible through a tunnel carved into the rock, this fortress offers panoramic views of the surrounding valley and the turquoise reservoir below. The castle's strategic location provided an excellent vantage point to spot potential invaders, and its walls and towers have been meticulously preserved. Adjacent to the castle is the Baroque-style Church of Our Lady of the Assumption, built in the 18th century. The church, with its simple yet elegant interior, is a testament to the village's resilience and dedication to preserving its cultural heritage. Another notable building is the Orduña House, now a museum that offers insights into the life of a noble family that lived there in the 17th century. This is the tunnel to the Upper Castle, the Castle of San Jose. It is usually very crowded with people that wants to take pictures, so we had to wait until lunchtime to grab videos from there. But it's really an impressive gateway to the fortified part of Guadalest. Some say that Guadalest is very touristic, but it is very well preserved and beautiful, which makes it well worth a visit. The church bell is separated from the church and is situated over the tunnel entrance. It is the tower we fly over now. And just look at the amazing color of the lake. Despite its small size, Guadalest boasts a surprising number of museums. The Micro-Gigantic Museum is particularly intriguing, featuring a collection of miniature sculptures that require magnifying glasses to appreciate their intricate details. Another unique museum is the Ethnological Museum, which showcases traditional tools, clothing, and artifacts that provide a glimpse into the rural life of the region's past inhabitants. For those interested in more eclectic exhibits, the Salt and Pepper Shaker Museum and the Medieval Historical Museum offer quirky and fascinating collections. These museums, housed in charming old buildings, add to the village's allure and provide visitors with a variety of experiences to enjoy. Guadalest is not just about history and museums, its natural beauty is equally captivating. The Guadalest Reservoir, with its striking blue-green waters, is a popular spot for outdoor activities such as kayaking, fishing, and hiking. The surrounding Sierra de Aitana Mountains offer numerous trails for hikers and nature enthusiasts, providing stunning views and a chance to explore the diverse flora and fauna of the region. If you come to Guadalest by car, you have to pay only €2 for parking the whole day. Most of the town you can see for free. But if you want to see the ruins on the top, you have to go through the Orduña House Museum. This costs €4, and we strongly recommend that you do it. It is only ruins left of the original castle, but they are preserved in a way that makes it very attractive. The Grand House of El Castell de Guadalest, or Casa Orduña, was built after the Great Earthquake of 1644, which devastated the region and demolished the buttress of the castle. The house was burnt down and plundered during the War of Succession in 1708. In 1756, Don Pedro Antonio Buenaventura de Orduña and Garcia entered the Military Order of Santiago and thus became a member of the aristocracy. The family obtained for its members not only economic connections and social influence, but also the best and most solid cultural grounding that was possible to acquire in the second half of the 18th century and throughout the 19th centuries. The village's cultural heritage is reflected in its local festivals, traditional crafts, and cuisine. Guadalest hosts several festivals throughout the year, the most notable being the Moors and Christians Festival, which reenacts historical battles with vibrant parades and performances. Visitors can also savor the local cuisine, which includes dishes such as arroz amb faisals I naps, rice with beans and turnips, and coca a la paleta, a type of flatbread. The village's restaurants and cafes offer a delightful culinary experience, often featuring locally sourced ingredients and traditional recipes. Guadalest's charm lies in its ability to transport visitors back in time while offering the serenity of a rural escape. The cobblestone streets, whitewashed houses, and scenic vistas create an idyllic setting that invites relaxation and exploration. Whether you're strolling through its narrow alleys, visiting its historic sites, or simply enjoying the stunning views, Guadalest promises a memorable experience. In conclusion, Guadalest is a hidden gem that encapsulates the essence of Spain's rich history, culture, and natural beauty. Its unique blend of historical landmarks, museums, and scenic landscapes makes it an ideal destination for travelers seeking to immerse themselves in the charm and tranquility of a traditional Spanish village. A visit to Guadalest is not just a journey through time, but also an opportunity to experience the enduring spirit and beauty of this remarkable place. If you like our video, please press like and subscribe for more content like this.